Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to download Terraria into your PC or laptop. Before we start this short video tutorial, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. Okay, first of all, I will tell you that this is the paid game. You can't get it for free, so you need to buy it. So to buy Terraria, you need to have installed Steam into your device. If you don't have a Steam or Steam account, just go to the Google, type this simple keyword which is download Steam, and open the first result. When you open this page, you can click install Steam and download Steam into your device. Then you need to sign up on Steam, and once you will have an account, then you can log into your account and open Steam. So then you can buy Terraria. To buy Terraria, you need to go to the search bar and you need to type Terraria, and you can see the first result. You need to click on it. Scroll a little bit down. So to get this game, you need to click add to cart. Then you need to click purchase for myself. You need to select the payment option. There are different options. And then you need to click the continue button. Then you need to finalize the payment. And once you will do it, then you can go to the library, and in the list you will find Terraria game. Just click on the game and then you need to click the install button like this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons.